In this video, I will show you how to enable reading mode in Google Chrome. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Go into Google Chrome and type in Chrome:/flags and enter. You then want to type reader mode, and once you see enables reader mode, tap the default button and enter enable. Now what you need to do is close Google Chrome and go back into Google Chrome and select your desired website. So we are going to go to apple.com. So once you have gotten into your website, tap the three dots in the bottom right and scroll down to turn on reading mode. Once reading mode is activated, you can then tap the top left corner and you can make the text bigger, smaller, and even change the font. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.